Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you handy tips how to uninstall app updates. So if you have a troubleshooting when when you updates your application, for example, you update your Chrome and your Chrome can't run or get crashed, you can uninstall or revert into old version of that application. Let's get started by tap setting on your Android phone and try to search your application by app management, application list, and for example try to search your Chrome here. You can tap it and tap the two dots in the top of your screen, or three dots. It depends on your devices. Tap uninstall updates. So replace this app with the factory version. All data will be removed. This affect all users of this device, including those with work profile. So it means make sure you have to back up your data. If you have bookmark or save page, please back up first. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click this button below. See you in the next video.